Maintenance. Hi. Can I fix the disposal? Can I fix the garbage disposal? Dead. The magic red button is out. I just broke the drain loose, the clog loose. See you later. I'm gonna check this agitator. Agitator's working. I'm gonna feel for any sharp edges or burrs. Nothing. Everything is nice and smooth. Clothes should never reach up here. There's nothing wrong with this washer. Dryer duct is pretty much smushed. That's no good. I'm gonna pull this out and clean this chute. If that's clogged, this can get too hot. It should trip a safety, but for some reason it's not. All right, tearing clothes. First thing, there's a self-tapping screw inside of there. There's a nail inside of there. I'm gonna take this back off, which is held in by a bunch of 1/4-inch screws. Oh, now that I got the back off, I'm gonna clean up this mess, but I know that's not the issue. Just gonna see this chute. This is held in by 4 screws, and you also gotta take out the 2 screws over here where the filter is. Yeah, that's pretty plugged up. It's not gonna allow for good heat removal. I mean, there are several nails and screws in here. Did a maintenance man used to live here? That goes into this chute. Halfway plugged. Yep. There's a bunch of screws in here too. Toothpicks. All sorts of stuff that can rip up clothes. Now I'm just gonna brush everything down, get it nice and clean, and then button it back up. Might be brushing this for a couple minutes, so it's pretty bad. Look at this, guys. Gold. Not really, but nice T25 bit. I'll take it. Just kidding, that would be stealing. Framing nail, finish nails. I mean, there's so much stuff in here. This is the worst I've seen. So this thing is now extremely clean. If we come back in a month and it's still ripping clothes, I'm gonna put a note here to check this. And if there's any screws in here or nails, let me know for sure what the problem is. About half an ice bucket full of lint and foreign objects. This one's done. So we've got a brand new exhaust motor for the water heater here. And here's the old one. This one says appliance is equipped for high altitude. This one does not. If I take this switch off. .94 WC, while this one is 0.75. So we're gonna take this one and install it on this, because I put this in as it was and it wouldn't fire up. There was no flame. So I'm gonna try this. I knew something was screwy and I just called and confirmed it with a technician that used to work here, or a supervisor that used to work here. All right. Okay, let's go throw this in. Got all the hot water faucets running. This is the longest part of the job, getting the water heater to kick on. Much quieter. So I couldn't film that. That's how I got the faucet out. Metal blade on a Sawzall, as the nut was just spinning because it was rusted out. See that? It wasn't going anywhere. That is gonna do it for the vlog today. The rest of my evening is gonna consist of driving about 40 minutes in traffic to get 5 miles. Then I'm gonna hit up the gym. Then I'm gonna edit this vlog for a couple of hours and hopefully have it up tonight. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I am Dave, the Apartment Maintenance Pro. Hope to see you on the next one.